Cashanista friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these matte white nails with the little rhinestone design here. Really simple and easy to do. So the supplies I'm using today are the Sensationail white nail polish, Sensationail gel matte top coat, the Sensationail gel primer, my gel adhesive with my little brush to use the gel, some rhinestones, a little cuticle stick to help me grab the rhinestones, my LED lamp, and of course some rubbing alcohol. So to start, I've already applied my nails using my easy and quickest nail method, which is just using a set of nails and gluing them on and following them to the shape that I wanted. So today I'm going with this coffin or ballerina shape nails. So I've already buffed each nail, as you can see, it removes the tackiness so that the gel nail polish will adhere pretty well. So I'm going to start with the gel primer and apply it to each nail. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of the white polish. I'm going to cure this in the lamp. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add my second coat of the white polish. Now that I have both of my coats of white polish on, I'm going to go ahead with my top matte coat. I'm going to cure this in the lamp. And I'm going to go over it one more time with the matte coat. Okay, so I have my top 2 coats of the matte polish on. So I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol and remove the tackiness from the nails. As you can see, it's drying matte. Like so. So now I'm ready to apply my rhinestones. So I'm going to take my gel adhesive, and since I'm putting it just at the bottom here, I'm just going to put it on the bottom of the nail. I'm just putting a little, just enough for the rhinestones to adhere. So I'm going to take my rhinestones. I've got a little gel on here just to make it easier to pick up the rhinestones. So I'm going to take a bigger sized one, fairly big, and place that one in the middle. And then I'm taking a medium sized for the outside. I'm going to take a little more gel for my last rhinestone. Then I'm going to take the really small size and just put that one on the end. So now that they're all on there, I'm just gonna move them around with this little stick here just to ensure that they are positioned the way that I want them to be. Like so. So now I'm just going to cure this in my lamp. Okay, and they're all adhered to the nail, not moving anywhere, and that is my final look. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.